Baby's weight is important. Monitoring your baby's weight regularly helps ensure they are developing properly and staying healthy. It shows they are growing well. Tracking their height and weight over time gives a clear picture of their growth patterns. A healthy weight means a strong body. It allows babies to have the energy they need to explore their world and develop new skills. It helps babies learn and play. Engaging in playtime activities is crucial for their cognitive and physical development. Babies grow at different speeds. Each baby has their own unique growth timeline, and that's perfectly normal. It's okay if your baby is smaller or bigger than others. What's important is that they are healthy and happy. Your doctor checks your baby's growth. Regular checkups help ensure that your baby is developing as expected. This helps ensure they are on track. Doctors use growth charts to compare your baby's growth with standard growth patterns. If you are worried about your baby's weight, talk to your doctor. They can address any concerns and provide guidance. They can give you personalized advice. Every baby is different, and your doctor can help you understand your baby's specific needs. It's important to focus on healthy weight gain, not just quick weight gain. Providing nutritious food helps support steady and healthy growth. Remember, every baby is different and grows at their own pace. Celebrate each milestone and enjoy watching your baby grow. With love and care, your little one will thrive. Your support and attention are key to their happiness and well-being. Good food helps babies grow big and strong. From the very first bite, the nutrients in their food play a crucial role in their development. Just like us, babies need a variety of foods. Introducing them to different tastes and textures early on can help them develop healthy eating habits. This gives them all the nutrients they need. A mix of fruits, vegetables, grains, and proteins ensures they get a well-rounded diet. Breast milk is the best food for babies. It is perfectly designed to meet their nutritional needs and supports their immune system. It has everything a baby needs in the first 6 months. Breastfeeding also fosters a strong bond between mother and child. If you are formula feeding, choose a formula recommended by your doctor. It's important to ensure the formula is fortified with essential vitamins and minerals. When your baby starts solids, offer a variety of healthy foods. This includes fruits, vegetables, grains, and proteins. Introducing a range of foods helps them get used to different flavors and textures. Each food group provides different nutrients. For example, fruits and vegetables are rich in vitamins and minerals, while grains provide energy and proteins are essential for growth. A balanced diet ensures your baby gets all the building blocks for healthy growth. By offering a variety of foods, you help set the foundation for a lifetime of healthy eating habits. Some foods are especially good for helping babies gain weight and ensuring they get the essential nutrients they need for healthy development. These superfoods are packed with vital nutrients and calories, making them perfect for your little one's growth. Avocados are full of healthy fats, which are crucial for brain development and overall health. Fats are important for energy and growth, helping your baby stay active and happy. You can easily mash avocado and give it to your baby as a creamy, delicious treat. Sweet potatoes are another great option, rich in both calories and essential vitamins. They are high in calories and vitamins like vitamin A, which is important for vision and immune function. Sweet potatoes can be mashed, pureed, or roasted, offering a variety of textures for your baby to enjoy. Full-fat yogurt is a good source of protein and calcium, which are essential for strong bones and teeth. Choose plain yogurt and add fruits for natural sweetness, avoiding added sugars. Other good choices include bananas, which are easy to digest and full of potassium, lentils, which are high in protein and fiber, and eggs and meat, which provide essential amino acids and iron. Remember to introduce new foods one at a time to monitor for any adverse reactions. This helps you spot any allergies early and ensures your baby's safety and well-being. Making mealtime enjoyable helps babies eat more. Make sure your baby is relaxed and comfortable. Feed your baby when they are hungry and stop when they are full. Don't force your baby to eat if they are not interested. This can make mealtime stressful. Be patient and keep offering a variety of foods. Try different textures and flavors to keep your baby interested in food. Offer small, frequent meals throughout the day. Make mealtime a happy and positive experience for your baby. This will help them develop a healthy relationship with food.